Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply foundation to your picture on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, take a picture with your phone either by tapping on the camera icon, or you can also choose one by clicking on the library section. Tap on the retouch button down below, which is the second section, then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the foundation button. So tap on it, and after that you should select either the auto function, meaning that it will apply foundation automatically to your picture, and you can adjust it by the help of the scale in the middle of the screen. But you can also use the brush function, meaning that if you zoom in you can select the relevant parts to which you want to apply the foundation to, and then you can also select the brush size here by the help of this scale, and you can also erase the applied foundation by the help of this eraser function. So if you are done with adjusting the foundation effect, click on the checkmark icon down below to save your results. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.